In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram could not open photo. Please try again in moment problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check that your Instagram app is up to date or not. For checking Instagram update, go to your App Store or Play Store. Click on it. Search Instagram. Now update in Instagram. If available, update. Then go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search Instagram. Click on Instagram. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now open Instagram. Now create post. Now add photo. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram could not open photo. Please try again moment problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.